Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be like a little tutorial and a few first impression thoughts on the new Lick and Lash Flamingo Beach palette. So it just looks like this. The outer box is like, the outer palette is very sturdy. It's made of cardboard and then it's kind of got like a magnetic fixture on it, so it's very nice. Mine did come with a few marks on the front. I don't know if you can see them here, but I contacted Lick and Lash via their Instagram page and they were really good and they offered me a couple of quid off as a compensation for it. So there are 24 shades in this palette. It looks absolutely amazing. It's £32. You can get it from Lick and Lash's website. Obviously I used a discount code, who would I be if I didn't? So definitely check around on like Instagram pages or on Google beforehand so you can get yourself some monies off. So I think postage on this item was about £3.50. I ordered it on the Saturday, it got dispatched on the, I think it was the Monday, and it arrived on the Tuesday. So it arrived incredibly quickly. So yeah, stay tuned to see the video on what I've done on my eyes today, and all I can be saying is I will definitely be buying more palettes from Lick and Lash in the future, so check it out. Okay, so I have already done one eye to save us some time, so I'm going to do the other eye now. I'm going to prime my eye with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Halo. This is just a white shade and it's perfect for making bright colours pop. First shade I'm going to go into is this coral colour here. It's called Beach Babe. The shade does have a little bit of fallout, so you just need to go in a little bit at a time. I'm going to go into is Kisses, which is this darker pink, like magenta kind of colour, and I'm just going to put that in the crease to deepen it up. Shade Kisses on. I'm next going to go into Boardwalk, which is this teal colour here, and the great thing about this shade is that when you mix it with the pink it looks a little bit purple, and when you mix it with this yellow it looks a little bit green, so it looks amazing. The teal Boardwalk shade is so pigmented. I did have a little bit of fallout underneath, so I just had to clean that up with my concealer. So definitely go in with just a little bit at a time with that Boardwalk shade. But the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease again. Okay, so that's the crease cut. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, colour wise for the lid, so I decided I'm going in with this yellow shade, which is called Blinding, and then mixing it into this like kind of white shade. It's got like a kind of a green reflect to it, and that's called Island. This one is chunkier than everyone and all the other shimmers in the palette, but it's still a really nice shade and formula. Lower lash line I'm just going to go into this shell colour, and then after that I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lash line and a little bit of liner. So mascara and liner is on, and this is the finished look. Okay, so that is my look using the Flamingo Beach palette, and I do have some thoughts about it. So I only used 6 shades out of this palette today, but every shade that I worked with performed amazingly, from both the mattes to the shimmers. I could not believe it. The quality was really good and it was really consistent. So this is like the first palette I've used properly from Lick and Lash, and I was really shocked at how good it was. I have used like one of their palettes in the past, but I think it was years ago, back when they used to private label them, and it wasn't very good. So if you don't know what private label means, it just means that when companies buy other brands' palettes and then put their name on it, and the quality wasn't as good back then, but I'm assuming this is their own formula by now, and it is absolutely amazing. I have seen some swatches on the Lick and Lash like Instagram page and their stories, and they looked amazing, and they did not, you know, when I tried them on the eye, they did not disappoint me. So yeah, this palette was £32, and obviously you can find a discount code. I found like a 20% off one, so I was really chuffed about that. But yeah, I really loved using this palette, and I will definitely be doing some more looks with this. If there's any like kind of colour scheme that you would like to see, let me know, and I'll see if I can do that for you, and I will hopefully see you again shortly. Bye!